All right, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back. This is going to be a live trading session, or rather a replay of a live trading session. But we have gold and NQ that we are going to be scalping this morning. And basically, I'm going to look to execute these trades live on 150K instant funded account I'm running right now. And see if you guys can't get some value out of it. But we're going to go ahead and pause it until we get to a trade. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to scalp CCT and what it looks like to cover risk, manage your position, and all of that. So there's going to be brief pauses throughout this whole thing, and I will see you guys at the next part. All right, you guys can see prices attempting to get back below this POI. This line right here is our POI right now on the 1 hour on NQ. Then we've got down here, right down here, this is a turtle soup area for the CCT we're trading. 1 hour candles are breaking higher. And with that being said, if 1 hour's candles are breaking higher, we are wanting to basically turtle soup lows if that's a possibility. So want price to close back below this line, get back above it, and we'll take a long, tight stop, just trail our risk, and then same kind of thing right down here though. If we get below it, then get back above it. So we're going to see if that happens, but first we need to close back inside here and actually claim this POI again at the fresh start of 10 a.m. and see what we can do from there. All right, so we just closed below POI. We're going to try to get back above there, maybe get some of this liquidity that's building up right in here. Price could be dropping though. We'll see. If it is dropping, I don't expect it to drop and turn into a downtrend. I do expect something maybe like this, and then to target up there. We're going to see what happens though, but if we can get a fresh sweep around and get back above this POI again, we will do that, and we will try to take price higher. You can see we've made our way quite a way down here. Haven't got quite to this draw on liquidity down here. We're going to see if we either pop lower. If we pop lower, we can do something like this. If we don't pop lower and we just get higher, hopefully we've got a play in here to get up higher. It looks like we might drop lower. I'm highly expecting this to get taken and for us to reverse off of it and to go higher, and then to either target up into this VWAP or even target liquidity sitting way up here. But we're going to trail our stops. We don't trade CCT on the smaller time frames the same way we do on the higher time frames. The 1 minute is absolutely going to be a lot more sporadic. It's not going to be as respectful. But when it comes to areas of entry, whether that's CCT getting above or back below POIs, even outside of POIs, or if you're just turtle souping within the context of CCT. Turtle souping outside of the context of CCT is a whole lot less accurate, but this would be the perfect turtle soup. It would be a grab and run of this liquidity sitting in here to essentially go higher. And all these people that thought we weren't going higher right in here, and then right up in here as well, are going to be our liquidity that we are going to take out. So I'll even mark those up green right now. That way you guys can see. And that should be where we run if we can sweep and then get higher. So I will keep you guys posted, and we will keep waiting for the trade. All right, we're about to push higher. We just got above VWAP, which you guys, just so you know, because it's probably random to you, I have it on. I just know it for volume purposes. I just like to understand the volume in the market, especially if I'm scalping or I'm in a trade. So that's a little gem for you guys. But we're about to get, especially on futures. Geez. Okay, we're about to get above POI though. Obviously going to have a quick run for this liquidity here and expecting it to go even higher. We're going to trail, and we're going to keep our stop always one candle. Basically, we're going to put our stop behind entry candle. And we are going to focus on just trailing from there. No TP, just stop behind entry candle. We're going to see if we close above though. If we don't, we are going to continue to wait, and I will skip to when it gets closer. Oh, and just so you guys know too, price did not sweep. I don't know if I was zoomed in too much. Price did not sweep, which is okay. Price did not sweep, and now we're pushing higher. Obviously with CCT and wanting to continue higher, that's okay, because what we're doing is obviously following trend, right? And lower, we should be getting higher lows. So that being said, we are going to be placing one full NQ contract, not a micro. We're just going to be placing a mini. We might run first liquidity before we could even get in. We got 8 seconds. I'm going to put our stop just behind the entry candle right here. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
And we want to give ourselves, enough breathing room. But basically, we'll give ourselves 2 trades for the day. We're already pushing up towards our first point of liquidity. If we can tap into that, I'll start trailing under this candle. We're just going to trail kind of candle to candle though. So we're risking $500 on this trade. This is our first trade for the day. The goal is just to get green for the day. We'll give ourselves 2 trades if need be. I honestly see it going all the way up and running both, but as we get closer to this first point of liquidity, which is just internal, we'll start to trail a little bit more aggressively. Obviously, price is just running higher. We want to probably not trail into this fair value gap, but what we can do is trail to the very bottom of the fair value gap. So we shaved off about half our risk, 285, because you want it to have a little bit of breathing room. All right, we're going to trail into profits. We're going to trail below this candle. I don't want this candle getting flipped. We're at 155. We're going on our way to run full liquidity. Let's see, what could we lock in? We could lock in $400. That might be, let's lock in $300. I don't want to be too aggressive. We're about to run full liquidity up here though. Let's take this and basically minimize it because we already targeted that and hit that. All right, no point in not locking in at least a little bit more. We'll lock into we'll lock in $400. Okay, we actually got a bottom wick. I'm gonna lock in a full 660, trying to run full liquidity here. You could expect a sharp reaction at the top there. So you don't want to give up profits, right? Like if you're already running $800, you should get like at least 600. Ideally, I'm going to trail pretty aggressive once we tag our drawing up there, but we'll see if it does or if it flips first. Super bullish right now. Like I told you guys, this is where we wanted to go. This is why CCT is such a beautiful framework. I'll break down the actual chart too on the 1 hour a little bit better after this, but let's see if we run it. We're about to. Might as well squeeze a little bit more. 755. Get below this candle. We might have lost 825. 825. All right, boys. $825 in what? How many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So that was scalping NQ this morning with the framework of CCT, and we ran full draw on liquidity. Gonna go to the 1 hour. Basically, this is what I was looking at. We closed higher on the 1 hour, 9 a.m. closed higher than 8 a.m. Not really anything else going on to the left. I marked up this low of 9 a.m. for kind of like a turtle soup, the high of 8 a.m. for basically our POI to get back above and to run. And so we did that. Volume was on our side. We had VWAP below us. We got back above POI. We trailed aggressively. And yeah, it was $800 in just a handful of minutes. So that's scalping CCT. I hope this video is beneficial to you guys. I want to start doing some more videos like this, kind of anticipation for 2026 when we trade live together. I got a lot of things in motion right now. But yeah, so this was super fun. I am trading with Top 1 Futures. If you guys want an account, link is in the video description. You can use code CRAM. That's going to be right next to the link for you guys to get the best possible discount when you do get an account. This is an instant funding, just trading NQ, scalping, CCT, futures. But I love you guys. I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope this was a good change of flow for the day. But I'll see you guys there.